In the summer, I do biking, a little bit of swimming, a lot of hiking and walking, and some golf.
But it was Denise Earhart's job that caused her to live in unbearable pain.
I was a nurse in the hospital setting for 40 years, so my knees took a lot of wear and tear.
After living in pain for 2 years, Denise opted for a total knee replacement.
The white's the metal, the plastic.
Orthopedic surgeon Jeffrey DeClaire performed the procedure and offered a unique way to track her progress through her Apple Watch,
which will track step counts, stride length, heart rate, and a variety of other data points that we don't normally track as a surgeon.
Dr. DeClaire is one of the first to use the Mymobility app, a remote patient monitoring method to give him real data on what his patients are and are not doing.
We can send text messages, photos, video. We track this data daily, real time, which we can intervene at any point to see how a patient is progressing.
So many times it's hard to get a hold of the person you really want to talk to. And to get that rapid response back was incredible.
Denise believes it helped her recover faster, and
it's great now. I have no pain when I walk.
She's now ready to get back to doing all the things she loves. I'm Marty Salt reporting.